Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Captcha appears to be invalid error. First, open your browser and click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security, then click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Check if third-party cookies are blocked. If they are, change the option to Allow all cookies or Enable third-party cookies. This usually fixes the Captcha issue by letting Steam and the Captcha service communicate properly. If the problem continues, refresh the page by pressing the refresh button or F5. You can also try clearing your cache and cookies. To do this, go back to Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, and make sure cache and cookies are selected before confirming. Once that's done, reopen Steam and try again. In most cases, this will solve the Captcha invalid error and get you back on track. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly fix the Steam Captcha issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.